Here we go, with such a kitten raw black and gray cylinder. Let's start with concealer. Cover the dark. Then top the liquid foundation. A more natural color number is fine. What you want. Alright, almost okay. Next, we will use this double effect blush. Give us this hole. The blush does a wide range of primers. Then I use this apricot double blush. This color number is D101. Let's start with the matte side first. It's a hairy fiber texture. Look at this. Imprint it on the arm like this. Use this puff. Like this. Then shoot in our area. Isn't its texture very good? But a thin layer. Like the color of the flesh. And our noses. Okay. Then you use the water gloss texture on the back. Look at this water light. See if this device has come out. And its color is also very everyday. I feel like all the makeup fits well. Whether it's Han Zhuang, Alex makeup, and your daily traffic is very okay. And this little piece of equipment, very convenient. Okay, let's go to the eye makeup part. Double eyelid sticker. First, paste 2 small open fans. Forget about grooming. Repair or use our bronzer. This time, just slide a little bit at the outline. Not too much. Just a little bit of tone connection. I used another double eyelid sticker like this crescent. Widened a bit. How about waiting for 3 days? False eyelashes will be more energetic. Let's use this beige as a base first. I used a small fire smudge brush like this. Dip this gray brown. Drop the pen from the root of the eyelashes and slowly faint upward. Mainly use the end of the eye. Then if we make it up later, we just need to make it up. The eye can scan the lower eyelid. A black glue pen to trace the inner eyeliner first. Original law. Wait a minute, we'll draw after we finish pasting the eyelashes. Paste false eyelashes. You first show your eyes from this eyelash. Like this, I'm going to order the meat for him. Go ahead and give him the shape here. Our mitt here. Fancy? Because you just took off your eye makeup? It's not easy to get too long eyeliner today. You can rub it shorter. Okay, then our inner eyeliner. Remove with a black eyeliner. Then the glue pen is okay. Then you can follow your preference. First of all, the inner corner of our washing machines. Above. This inner eyeliner. In fact, it depends on everyone's personal situation and your own preferences. Because I didn't think it was exaggerated enough at first, so. That's about it in the end. Okay, that's it. Then let's draw it here. And then we use a dark brown like this. No need for black, because it's such a dark brown. Its fault tolerance rate will be higher. We use a small brush. First of all, let's take this whole inner face. Just trace it a little bit. This way it will look more natural, not so blunt. Give him the bottom line from the end of the eyeliner. Trace them along like this. This will make us lower our eyes. Draw aegyo on the bottom. Makeup can't be too aegyo. To follow the eyes of the entire lower eyelid, the face of the eyes should droop a little. Brighten up the makeup powder, or the dizzy eyeshadow just now, deepen it. Draw an eyebrow. The eyebrows are a little thicker this time. Use water eyebrow pencil again. Make up for the hair flu and the overall shape. Use a natural light brown like this. Not much to say about nose repair. Look at me draw the shape. Let's just say it's actually more upright. Be considerate. The leg found a fleshy bone. SAG down. Okay, why isn't there that frost just now? I want you to be matte here. My mother is so beautiful. I'll even it out for him and apply a little more. Transparent honey powder cake set the hole. But what about water gloss blush? Make sure our cheekbones are bright here. Powder trimming. Deepen it. Highlight powder with a little off-light feeling. Cut 2 moles. Add a little more of this water light. Use a large brush with small outlines. Automatically highlight after pulling the sun during the day. One is rolled inward. The second layer near you is rolled outward. The last layer is rolled inward. Then finally clip on the round neck. Pinch the forehead.